it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Good morning. It is Vlogmas Day 25, which means it's Christmas Day. I'm still in England, and the plan was, this is my last day, my flight's at 4 o'clock. The plan was for us to go to breakfast at 7 a.m. at Duck and Waffle, because that was really the only reservation that they had. So I woke up at 6, I took a shower, and then it was like 6:30, and I asked my sister if we should still do it, and she was like, nah, let's skip. So then we went back to sleep. And I didn't wake up until 10, and now it's...
Sorry.
And now it's 10:30, and I need to pack still. I should probably head to the airport in, like, I don't know, a few hours, so there's that. Hi. So I'm at the airport. It took like an hour to get here. I took an Uber, and my driver was taking his time. And now I am getting a little bite to eat at Pratt. I got this interesting smoked salmon sandwich thing with, I'm assuming, watercress. I don't know. So, gonna eat, gonna chill. I'm very overdressed. I mean, so many layers on. I feel so hot, but flights tend to be cold. And the next time we chat, I will be in Boston. Hello. I am at Logan Airport. I have made it back to the US of A, and I'm just waiting for my luggage.
Why pink light? Oh, you're recording.
You have one more. You have to block one. No, you guys are.
There is one left to be blocked, yeah.
You see it, right?
Yeah.
I
don't
see it. You have to see
Just
it.
in case.
No, why don't you guys see it?
Just in case, yeah. You gotta block that one, yeah.
It's not
He
blocked.
took my phone!
You guys don't see it.
But he's looking to win. He's looking to win.
Oh, you finally blocked him, huh?
Where is he?
Oh, now there's 2 to block. Now there's 2 to block. But one for sure.
There's 2 to block. Oh
One
yeah,
for sure.
I
One for
see
sure.
it.
One for sure.
No.
First
No.
one's on the list.
No, but
There's
that.
one on the list
I
first.
see it. That.
Oh, I see it.
There's all.
No, it does work
No,
though.
no.
It does work though
does
because
work.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't even think he sees it.
No.
Oh man, hello Vlogmas. I forgot to vlog today, you know, it's been a long day, but I'm over at my family's house. We're playing a board game right now, which is kind of like tic-tac-toe. It's like a Swedish version. You'll see it in the next slide. But yeah, we ate a lot of food, some family time. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hello. I am back at my family house. The flight felt really long because I wasn't very tired, and there was a lot of children on the flight, but thankfully I had a whole row to myself waiting. Just had some dinner, thinking about if I should unpack or not. I really want to shower. Miscellaneous filler things, whatever. But mostly I just wanted to say today is technically the last day of Vlogmas for most vloggers out there, and it coincides with a holiday that some may celebrate. So should you be one of those? Happy holidays. We don't really do much anymore these days, which is fine. But something to look forward to. Tomorrow, Baldeep and I will be reunited, and we shall be exchanging gifts. Remember a few weeks ago when I was guesstimating what Baldeep might have gotten me, and I finally figured out what I got her. Like, it took me a while, but I got it, and I think, fingers crossed, she likes it. But stay tuned till tomorrow to find out. See you later.